Ready to unlock a smoother, faster way to shop on Temu right from your phone. First, make sure you have the Temu app installed and you're logged into your account. Then browse Temu like you normally would and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Once you're done shopping, tap the cart icon to review your order. Double-check everything to make sure you've got the right sizes, colors, and quantities. Now, proceed to checkout on the payment options screen. You're looking for Easypaisa. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the available options. Temu often lists payment methods based on your region. Select Easypaisa. You'll likely be redirected to either log into your Easypaisa account directly within the Temu app or be prompted to open the Easypaisa app on your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. In the Easypaisa app, you'll see the payment details, including the amount and the merchant, which will be Temu. Confirm the payment using your Easypaisa PIN or any other security method you set up, like fingerprint authentication. Once the payment is successful, you'll be redirected back to Temu, and you should see an order confirmation screen. That's it. You've successfully paid on Temu using Easypaisa. Happy shopping!